Welcome to the world of Deduce Technologies. We are a subsidiary of Bellissimo Ventures Private Limited, a company registered in Gurgaon, India. Founded in the year 2019, we pride ourselves on transforming the technology landscape in the domain of last-mile connectivity and location services. Driven by the passion to critically think, analyze, assess and draw conclusions, we work towards being recognized as not just doers but deducers. Over the years, we have leveraged a strong presence of Deduce Technologies across the top Indian metro cities and development centers like Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad and Srinagar. Besides expanding into the global USA market, as an ISO 9001 certified firm, all our products and services follow stringent quality processes. Leveraging the power of our in-house innovation labs and thought leadership, we have developed 4 patented products to streamline last-mile connectivity solutions through Environ Map Layer, Phoenix Map Layer, Navigat Map Layer, 3D Fusion Map Layer. All these map layers have been geo-referenced for seamless integration with the leading map data. Environ Map Layer. Think about that one key challenge that delivery partners and on-demand cab drivers face today. Without a doubt, it has to be reaching out to customers without wasting time hunting for their precise location. It's often difficult to scout for the right entry and exit gates for gated communities like big apartments, complexes or technology parks. The standard mapping solutions designed for gated communities largely fail to identify boundary walls and gated areas. Additionally, there is no up-to-date information on which gates are accessible to delivery partners and which are the building entry points accessible to resident or office tenants only. This causes delivery companies and cab aggregators to waste a lot of time in trying to reach out to the customer. Environ Map Layer streamlines these concerns down into a comprehensive solution by providing exact information about the entry or exit points and geo-fenced boundaries of gated communities, thus helping delivery partners to have a graphical view of the entry gate, building outlines, entry and exit access points of all the buildings in a gated community. Environ Map Layer is successfully being used by millions of customers spread across 93 Indian cities, including all metro cities. The efficiency of Environ Map Layer can precisely be orchestrated through one receiving their pizza either piping hot versus receiving it sloppy, pale and cold. Phoenix Map Layer. The influx of COVID-19 has severely impacted several businesses around the world, forcing many of them to either shut down or relocate to economically viable locations. Several businesses like restaurants, retail shops, small traders and educational institutions have also changed their business models to hybrid delivery models comprising of online and offline products and services. This change has made the location-based data prior to March 2020 almost outdated. In due observance of the same, Phoenix Map Layer by Deduce Technologies has optimized the point of interest information access for location-based industries. We have proactively captured the latest POI-rich content of business locations across the top 10 Indian cities and 43 suburbs to make location-based information access more realistic. Over the past 6 months, we have captured nearly 3 million POIs, providing the latest in-depth information like name, address, categories, contact details, existence status, street name and admin details. In the case of restaurants, we also provide details on food types, cuisines, menu cards and delivery facilities. We have captured this rich information through a combination of mobile mapping, machine learning, in-person merchant interactions and business association partnerships. Through Phoenix Map Layer, we are working towards connecting customers and businesses in the growing Indian economy post-COVID through highly accurate and up-to-date POI information to the customers. Navigat Map Layers. The infrastructural landscape in India is vastly evolving. Keeping up with the pace of the widespread road constructions is both challenging and cumbersome. While development is great, staying up to date about the dynamic road network changes in terms of blocks, roads under repairs, U-turns, one-ways, time-sensitive restrictions, dividers can make navigating on the road very difficult for drivers. Traditional mapping firms fail to keep up with the changes in the rapidly evolving road network. So either the data is outdated or the data is left ignored, assuming the changes shall sustain for less than a year. This leads to huge chaos and makes riding and driving around more difficult for people who dedicatedly follow the map. That's where Deduce Technology has stepped up with its Navigat Map Layer, a smart road network product that has constantly been scanning the top 10 metro cities and 43 suburbs to provide the latest information on changes to all major road networks. The Navigat Map Layer road network product is updated every quarter to provide important information, road diversions, changes, repairs and maintenance status of roads. This greatly helps delivery partners and cab aggregators save on time to reach their destinations. For the rapid changes to the Indian road landscape, Navigat Map Layer's intelligent and intuitive solution optimizes resources. 3D Fusion Maps Layer. Extensive market research suggests that visual map representation is 3 times more effective as compared to 2D map representation. While we are rapidly adapting to new technologies, we always prefer getting visual cues for direction. Epitomizing the age-old principle of seeing is believing, Deduce Technologies has developed a 3D fusion map layer empowered with 3D dimensional map visualization that adds more dimension, movement and depth to static objects like buildings. It provides a visually striking experience, thereby giving a feel of the real-world imagery around us. We have built this product by mosaicing a 2D map layer with static imagery to give a real-life experience, factoring in the relatively low bandwidth and high-cost mobile bandwidth. We have successfully piloted this product across 100 kilometers of roads, and we are closely working with map providers to bring this to market. This 3D Fusion Maps layer is slated to seamlessly integrate the real and virtual world, which will drastically increase the use of maps across all ages and income groups. We encourage our associates at each step of the way to think differently, make the best use of cutting-edge technologies, and value add to the user experience of millions of map users across 3 continents. Together, let's envision new possibilities for a world that's more connected, structured, and optimized through the innovations envisioned and implemented by Deduce Technologies. Think innovation, think Deduce Technologies.